Blogging can be a great way for you to drive additional traffic, leads, and sales back to your products or services, regardless of what product or service it is that you are offering. But how do you utilize blogging effectively so that you can actually make best use of it? In this video, I'm speaking about how you can use blogging to help you to add additional revenue to your business. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm focusing on content marketing with a particular focus on blogging. Now let me start off by really identifying what content marketing actually is. So content marketing is when you produce free content that kind of appeases your potential customers and it gets them interested in your brand by tackling a specific issue or entertaining them in a particular way that kind of helps to connect them with your brand on a deeper level. We're now kind of living through an age where people want to buy from companies and individuals that they know, like, and trust, and creating content is a great way to build that know, like, and trust factor with your potential customers. So a blog essentially is a section of your website that you can update quite frequently. So if you post a new article to your blog, then the newest article will be shown at the very top, and as you continue to blog, then that new article will kind of go down the ranks and your oldest articles will kind of go further down the bottom. Now what I see a lot of companies doing, and this is a big mistake that I see companies doing as well, is they use their blog purely as a way to kind of inform their customers and website visitors of any changes that they might have going on in their company or on their website. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't use your blog in this way, but you shouldn't primarily use your blog in this way, because a blog is a great way for you to create content that can actually really help your potential customers. So let's say, for example, you are a fitness instructor and you instruct your clients on different dietary plans and how to lose weight and different exercise regimes that they can do. Now, not everybody who comes to your website the very first time is going to be in the ready to buy mindset. And even if they are in the ready to buy mindset, they're probably still looking around and seeing what person they want to go to and be coached by. So it's important that you have more than just a sales incentive when someone comes to your website. Most people create selfish websites. Now, what I mean by a selfish website is they literally just want to sell their customers their product or their service without offering any upfront value. Now, although this can work, your conversion rate from people who visit you as just someone who doesn't know you yet to someone who actually wants to depart with their hard-earned cash to a company that they don't even know yet, your conversion rate is likely to be quite small and quite slim. So one of the ways to increase that conversion rate is to warm up your website visitors who don't know you yet, but maybe they're just looking for a solution. Maybe they're looking for additional information and you need to provide them value to help to kind of persuade them that your company is trustworthy. I've done a video not too long ago on the Google Keywords tool. Now, the Google Keywords tool helps you to identify popular keywords that people are using to search Google for, and you can use this as a way to identify what type of blog articles will help to create value for your potential customers. So going back to my example, if you were a fitness instructor, people might have questions like, what food should they eat to lose weight? What food should they eat to put on weight? What food should they eat whilst they're pregnant? What exercises should they do to help them to build stronger arms? So all of these types of questions people might be asking, and they might be typing those questions into the search engines. Now, if you can identify those questions by using the Google Keywords tool, then you can actually create content on your blog around these particular topics. So what happens is, if you use the SEO tips that I speak about in my SEO playlist, and I'll leave a link to my SEO playlist in the description down below, but if you optimize your blog articles for these particular keywords that people are actively searching for, then it creates an opportunity for you to be found in search for these keywords. So when someone is looking for a diet plan or an exercise regime, even though they might not necessarily be in the ready to buy mindset now, because they came across your blog article, then they are a lot more likely to actually choose your company over some of your competitors because they've already had at least one touch point with your website and with your business. And not only that, but when someone comes to your website for the very first time, it can be quite daunting if all you're trying to do is sell them and sell them and sell them. But you want to create a website that is a hub for your potential customers to actually learn information, maybe be educated, and also maybe even entertained. So if you can entertain, educate, and inform your potential website visitors and create useful content, if your website is a hub of useful information for your ideal customers, then you're likely to see a lot better results with your marketing campaigns. So this is known as content marketing. So content can be produced in many different forms. A blog is just one form. You can produce content in video form. You can produce white papers. You can even produce infographics as well and utilize platforms such as Pinterest. But every website, in my opinion, that wants to do well in the search engines and wants to gain additional traffic from the search engines should be seriously thinking about blogging. Starting a blog is a great way to gain authority, to build trust, and also to build a following as well of people who kind of are familiar with your brand and with your messaging and with your website. And these people are a lot more likely to convert into leads and customers later on down the line. Now, you may have visited blogs in the past and maybe you noticed that in the sidebar you see promotions. These promotions can be to that particular website's products or services page. You might even see links to affiliate programs that are related to whatever that blog article is about. So I recommend using the sidebar of your blog articles as a way to promote whatever it is that you're trying to sell on your website. You can also use it as a way to kind of embed your opt-in form. So an opt-in form, if you've watched any of my email marketing videos, you will know that that is basically a form that allows you to build up your database of leads and potential customers. And it's a great way to keep in touch with some of your website visitors to help you to remarket to them later on down the line. So when you do start your blog, make sure that you're not only giving away free content, but you're also using the sidebar as a way to kind of have an additional call to action to drive visits to the important sales pages on your website and also accumulate leads as well. So in a nutshell, your blog is a way to help to build rapport with your potential website visitors by providing them with valuable information. It helps to increase the touch points as well. So when someone is ready to make a buying decision, if they know about your website already because they've been reading the information in your blog, then they're a lot more likely to choose you over your competitors because they've built that rapport and those touch points and that trust with you. A blog is also a great way to be found in search engines. So it helps your visibility in the major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. And if you follow the right SEO procedures, of which I'll leave links to my playlist in the description down below, then you can extremely increase your visibility and drive additional free traffic to your website using blogging techniques. A blog is also a great way for you to kind of sell your products and your services by utilizing the sidebar and also to generate leads as well. So you want to make sure you have some sort of call to action on your blog pages too. And if you're an affiliate marketer, then you can use the affiliate marketing banners on your blog as a way to drive additional clicks and traffic to your affiliate offers. So blogging is a great way to make additional money for your business and to drive additional traffic through the search engines and build trust. If you haven't started blogging yet, I highly recommend adding a blog page to your company's website and start blogging regularly so you can start seeing the effects of having a blog on your site. Now, I also have the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. I call it the formula because literally, if you can get traffic to your website and convert that traffic into tangible leads and sales, then you'll be on your way to a profitable online business. As you can see, a copy of the formula is behind me. I will also leave a link to it in the description down below and somewhere on this screen. So make sure you go and check that out. It's completely free for you to download. So there's no excuse. Go and grab yourself a copy. But I really do hope that this video brought you value. And if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula and I will see you soon.